The Green Gang manufacturer, aka Kawasaki, is making a big fuss. They are indeed known as two-wheeled automotive manufacturers. And recently, Kawasaki is building a new product innovation, namely a drone. The drone they built was not an ordinary drone, but this drone launched by Kawasaki, which was intended for logistics purposes. Interestingly, Kawasaki buried the Ninja H-2R engine on the drone. Actually, this Kawasaki drone is more like an unmanned helicopter, and they call it the Kawasaki K-Racer X1. The drone has the same dimensions as the car that often mills about in urban areas. So its stature is quite large considering that this drone is used to transport goods. Overall, it is more like a helicopter, because it adopts a similar body and is also strengthened by the adoption of propellers, so that it looks more like a helicopter. As previously mentioned, the K-Racer X1 does not adopt a cabin crew, so it has neither doors nor windows. Kawasaki has not provided complete specifications and performance of this drone. But what is certain is that the K-Racer X1 is equipped with a 1000cc inline 4-stroke, 4-cylinder engine, and is also equipped with supercharged technology. The power output will be the same as the Ninja H-2R, which is capable of spewing power up to 310 PS and a maximum torque of 165 Nm. In addition, on the back there are two exhausts with a fairly large muffler. The Kawasaki K-Racer X1 is indeed not a drone. That was created to hook fast speeds. However, the Kawasaki drone was built to facilitate the mobility of transporting goods. Kawasaki claims that the K-Racer X1 is capable of carrying loads of up to 100 kilograms. However, considering the full specifications have not been published, so the mileage ability is not yet known. Meanwhile, Kawasaki is also reportedly developing a system on a larger scale, so that it can integrate complex robotic systems. That way, the process of sending goods is done automatically, without the need for labor. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe our channel, like and share it with others, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.